Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the odometer on their Chevrolet Equinox? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate dashboard. Locate the instrument cluster on the dashboard, which houses the main vehicle display. Step 2. Access display. Use the right steering wheel button to access the display in the instrument cluster. Step 3. Open menu. Press the button to open the menu and navigate using the arrows. Step 4. Select Info. Scroll to the Info application and select it to proceed. Step 5. View odometer. Find the odometer reading within the Info app displaying total miles or kilometers. Now you should easily see the odometer reading on your Chevrolet Equinox. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chevrolet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.